He said, "Mom, that's not
Hi,
anything
Avery.
that help with hiccups?
I don't know what to check.
You do something.
Okay. Hi, honey. See, I am awake and I have hiccups. Yes. Oh, I know. It's hard to have hiccups, huh? Yeah. Hey, girl. See, I did good today. My belly button came off. Yes. Hi, sweetie. Hi, honey. Hey, girl. Hey, girlfriend. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Yes. Hi.
You still doing it?
Uh-huh. You just rub her belly? That might help relax her diaphragm.
Yeah, I'm gonna put on her tummy actually.
Okay.
Ready for some tummy time?
I'm going your belly? Mm-hmm.
Stretch.
Mm-hmm.
And those legs. Those long dancer legs.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. It's like a little alarm. I thought they were gone. Hi, Avery Reagan. Oh my goodness.
If you stretch out,
Does it help?
hands over your head, stretch that diaphragm out.
The blanket's under her, it's all bulky. Maybe that's... Yeah, try that.
How does that feel?
Hi, honey. Oh, there you go. See, look how long my legs are. I may be only 18.5 inches long, but I am so long. Okay. Hi, sweetheart. You still coming? Mm-hmm. I know. I have hiccups. Yeah. Uh-oh, here's Charlie Monster. Hi, bud. Oh, how you doing, sweetie? Oh, still got him? Okay, let's see if we can help you.